Guys, in this question, we are given that the refractive index of the material of a prism is root 2 and the angle of prism is 30 degree. So this is a prism. So it has the angle of prism as 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree and one of the two reflecting surface of the prism is made of a mirror inwards by silver coating. Let's suppose this is the surface which is made as mirror by silver coating. And a beam of monochromatic light is entering the prism from the other face. So light is entering from here and the light entering the prism from the other face will retrace its path. So we need to find the angle of incidence such that this ray after entering the prism will retrace its path. So it's only possible if the angle of incidence on the other face is, this face is 90 degree. So it will just bounce back and follow the paths it has followed earlier. So we need to find the angle of incidence, that is this angle we need to find out. So we are given that the angle of prism is 30 degree and let's draw a perpendicular from here to here, from the ray to the other face, so that it will bounce back to its path. Now since it is a normal, this angle will be 90 and this angle will be 90 as well, and by angle sum property of a triangle we can calculate that this angle is 60 degree. Now we have the angle of reflection which is 30 degree because this angle is 60 degree. So this will become 30 degree and we just now need to find out the angle of incidence, and we know the formula for refractive index is sin I by sin r1. So we will take the sin r1 here and put the value of r1 as 30 degree, so which will give us the value 1 by root 2, that is sin I is equals to 1 by root 2, and when we will take this as sin inverse, and sin inverse 1 by root 2 is 45, so that gives us angle I is equals to 45 degree. So the angle of incidence is 45 degree.